Welcome to our review of the top 5 best beginner 3D printers that are perfect for those just stepping into the world of 3D printing. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or DIY enthusiast, these printers offer a user-friendly experience without compromising on quality. We've extensively tested and analyzed each model to provide you with insights into their features, pros, and cons. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Bamboo Lab P1P. The Bamboo Lab P1P takes the lead as an excellent option for beginners. With its easy setup and calibration, even those new to 3D printing can quickly get started. The printer boasts a solid build quality and a user-friendly touchscreen interface, making navigation and adjustments a breeze. Its reliable performance is backed by consistent filament feeding, resulting in accurate prints. However, the limited print volume might be a drawback for larger projects. Pros: simple setup and calibration, user-friendly touchscreen interface, reliable and accurate printing. Cons: limited print volume for larger projects. Number 2. Eligu Resin Mars 3. For those interested in resin 3D printing, the Eligu Resin Mars 3 stands out. Its high-resolution prints capture intricate details, making it ideal for artistic creations and miniatures. The upgraded UV lighting system ensures faster curing times, reducing overall print duration. However, the resin printing process involves post-processing steps that can be messy and require extra care. Pros: high-resolution prints with intricate details, faster curing times with upgraded UV lighting. Cons: messy post-processing steps in resin printing. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra Plus. The Anycubic Cobra Plus offers a well-rounded package for beginners. Its sturdy construction contributes to stable printing, while the large touchscreen provides intuitive control. The printer supports various filament types, allowing versatility in projects. One drawback could be the occasional need for manual bed leveling, which might require some patience to perfect. Pros: stable printing with sturdy construction, large touchscreen for intuitive control, versatile filament compatibility. Cons: occasional need for manual bed leveling. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Pro. A popular choice among newcomers, the Creality Ender 3 Pro provides affordability without compromising on performance. Its open-frame design allows easy monitoring of prints, and its modifiability offers room for upgrades. However, assembly might be a bit challenging for absolute beginners, and consistent bed leveling is necessary for optimal results. Pros: affordable yet capable option, open-frame design for easy print monitoring, modifiable for upgrades and customization. Cons: assembly can be challenging for beginners, requires consistent bed leveling. Number 5. Anycubic M5. Closing our list is the Anycubic M5, offering simplicity and ease of use. Its plug-and-play setup makes it a great choice for those new to 3D printing. The printer's compact size is suitable for small spaces. However, the trade-off is a smaller build volume, limiting the size of your projects. Pros: plug-and-play setup for beginners, compact size suitable for small spaces. Cons: smaller build volume for limited project size. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 best beginner 3D printers. Each model has its unique strengths and potential drawbacks, catering to a range of preferences and requirements. Make sure to consider your priorities and desired features when choosing the right 3D printer for your needs.